Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Arif. Welcome back again. A common question I get every day. What is this question? Some people are saying, brother, how can I improve my English level? If I read the newspaper, can I improve reading the newspaper in English? Is it possible for me? Every day I try to read the newspaper, but I can't understand newspaper. I can't read properly the newspaper. When I go to read the newspaper, I try to read, but I don't understand. I can't read the newspaper. So what is the solution for me? What can I do? What can I do? Every time I'm thinking that. I'm very upset. What can I do? Help me, brother, help me. Is it possible for me to speak English with the newspaper? I will say you, yes, 100% possible for you. You are feeling so much problem right now to read the newspaper because you don't know the basic vocabulary. You don't know the basic English structure and how to use the basic English structure. That's the problem. And when I was a beginner, that time I felt this problem. So don't worry. It doesn't matter. You can solve this problem. What you have to do? That is very easy, very easy. You can follow that. You have a mobile phone right now. Okay, if you have a mobile phone, go to the Play Store. Have you gone? If you go to the Play Store, download two applications. One is Google Translate. There is icon. Google Translate. There is icon. And another Daily Star English newspaper in Bangladesh. Daily Star English newspaper. Okay. Download two applications and install in your mobile phone. And if it's complete, so go to the Daily Star newspaper. And what topic do you like? Do you like sports topic? Do you like cartoon topic? Do you like a political topic? It's your wish. But you have to select what topic do you like, because you can't learn all the things. Just you select one thing. That will be easy for you and you can get some easy. Take a screenshot. I think you like sports topic, so go to the sports topic and take a screenshot. Now after taking the screenshot, leave that site and go to the Google Translate. After going to the Google Translate, there is a button here. You can watch it, that is picture icon, and select the picture icon and give the picture that you have screenshot from the Daily Star newspaper. And there is a translation option here. If you are interested to translate Bangla, you can translate Bangla. Otherwise, you can translate English. But what is your wish? Okay. And another option here, downside, there is a microphone option and tap the microphone option.
ALLC 64.
Automatically, they will say, robot will say English. I request you, try to listen every time that newspaper. What screenshot have you given? Have you given that site? Try to listen that. Don't memorize, don't study, don't read. Just listen more and more. Automatically it will be save your memory. Automatically it will be save your mind. You have to listen many days. But you are trying to learning just one day today's newspaper, another day another newspaper. But you are feeling bored. You can't complete. When you can't complete, that time you feel bored. So I will request you, then every day studying newspaper, study one newspaper every day. That's calls deep learning. I told you before, that calls deep learning. So deep learning is very important for learning a language, for speaking English. So one topic every day, listen. You can read the newspaper. Then reading the newspaper, it will be more important. Listen the newspaper. When you will listen the newspaper, you can catch the vocabulary with right pronunciation. And besides, you can watch the spelling, you can watch the word, and you can also know the meaning. So in this way, you can learn English with the Daily Star newspaper. There are different kind of newspaper is available. It's your wish what kind of newspaper do you like, and try to listen the newspaper. I would like to say you don't watch and read the newspaper, listen the newspaper every time. It will be better for you if you can watch the news, English news every day with pronunciation. American news, I will suggest to Al Jazeera. Al Jazeera, this channel is very nice with pronunciation. You can follow this channel, Al Jazeera, and if you follow day by day, you can improve. But every day, one topic, one video, you have to listen more and more, again and again. Don't drop. Thank you so much. And this was the request for me. One brother and sister told me, talk something about newspaper. How can I learn English with the Daily Star newspaper? What is the importance of Daily Star newspaper? What is the importance of English newspaper? Can I learn English with the newspaper or not? 100% you can learn, but you have to follow some process. In this way, you can practice English in your reading room. If you do that, you can speak English fluently. You can learn English fluently. So take care. I will see you another day. Allah Hafiz.